Hi there, on this video, I'll show you how to block a customer on Shopify. To start, go to your internet browser and open myshopify.com. Once you're in My Shopify, go to the search bar and click on Fraud Filter. Now click on that. This will open you to another window. Once you do that, click on Fraud Filter. You can now add the app. Click on it. And then you click on Install App. Once you're there, you will see Fraud Filter as one of your tools. And then you click on Add New Filter. Once done, you can now put in all the information that you have with that fraud guy or those you want to block for your shop in myshopify.com. And give them a warning. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, subscribe.